Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the little bargain Fiesta zetec S. Today's video we're going to sort out the aftermath of the of the fade out fitters from eBay. Let me turn you around to show you. There we go. So we got that and that. Now, where it's picked up the base coat and run, I'm not going to be able to fix and polish that. And the same in here, you can see it's dragged the base coat with it. So we're probably going to prep this and redo this. It's going to be as fast to repair and put that right as it would be, well, it'd be faster to do that than it would be to try and flat and polish all of that. All the rest is fine. I've unmasked all the door, everything's correct as it should be. There's the seal. And this is all that lets us down. Everything else is good. So, I'm going to chuck you on time lapse, start sanding this down, start getting this prepared and ready, and then we're going to get this repainted and resorted out. So I'll see you in a bit.
Far, don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Till the counting days until the second go. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, start at top the lungs. It's all you need to do.
There we go guys, they're just cooling down now. As you see, I sanded it all down. I know loads of you ask all the time, so I sanded down a 360, 400, 600, then 800, and then I went over it, 800 I went over wet. And then I put a few coats of 2K primer on there. So I know a lot of you might ask, why did I bother priming it? Because it was all smooth, you could have painted over it. Let me find I'll give you an example. It's quite easy to understand. So, let's say that's our paint surface, and we just sanded this area, say, there and there. We just sanded loads of that. Well, that now does that. And goes back to, I'm not an artist. So all of this lot in here is missing. So by priming it, we've now built it back up to one level surface again. Do you see what I mean? So then That's a good representation actually. So all my primer needs flattening down flat, and then it'll be a nice flat line again. So it's nice and easy to sort of understand. So what I'm going to do is let that dry for a bit, and then I'll start blocking that down and preparing this. I'll take all this off. So we just treat this like a normal repair now. And then I'm going to blend the paint in so you can't see it basically, so it all matches, and then we'll re-lacquer it all and go from there. So I'm going to let this harden up for a little bit, and then yeah, I'll get back in with some time lapse and start getting it ready. See you in a bit. It's all scotched down now. I've got to go over the last final little bits. What we're going to do, sod the fade out thinners. So I'm going to blend my colour across there, through there and up there. And the same again with this. I'm going to paint down here and up there. I took the door latch out and the two stickers off. The stickers are over there on the dash. I'll probably put them back on. If not, I'll order some new ones. It don't really matter. They don't really need to be there. It's only a tyre pressure. I'm coming straight down here to colour, blend it, blend the colour there, and then we're going to clear coat the whole lot. I'm going to come around the top rail and do all inside there. I can't be dealing with that again. So I've just got the annoying bit of trying to get under this rubber all the way around, and then same again for the quarter. This rubber is really close to the paint. It's a nightmare, so I'm gonna have to try and pull it away so I can get my lacquer inside there. But rest of it, it'll be fine. So gonna sort this out in a second and crack on with the masking. See you in a bit. pretty much there now, just got to sheet it off. But I have noticed on the front bumper, there's a bit up here. So I'm going to sort this out and blend the bumper as well at the same time. While we're doing it all, we may as well do it all. And then it'll be a nice little clean one then. So yeah, windows are masked with all that special tape. Roof, windscreen, everything all done around now. Door shut, masked, back shut. So I've got to do around the arch, under the seal, and then up in here. As you can see, they don't really have paint in there, so it's not too much of a problem. I'll just puff it about and then leave that look sort of original. And down here. So I'm just going to quickly prep this up and sort this out. And we can dust a bit of paint around there and lacquer that as well. See you in a bit. Right, we're ready to rumble. Just got to give this a bit of a wipe down. That's all sorted down. All masked up, sheeted off, ready to go. Just going to panel wipe this down, give it a tap rag, and start getting some colour on it.
Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Today counting days until the second call. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around, start the top beyond. It's all you need to do.
Guys, ignore the forklift. Much better. No more fade out. No more buying took from eBay. There we go. Lesson learned. Don't use cheap fade out thinners in an aerosol can. You have to redo your jobs. If you haven't seen the other part of the Fiesta video, what happened was I blended this rear quarter up the top. Well, I'll show you. So I blended the rear quarter up here and blended inside a bit of the door shut here. Used the cheap fade out thinners. I puffed it in, walked out, come back in the room, and it was just running down my brand new paint job. So this is the fix. I had to redo it all again. So yeah, I'm glad I did. I've done the whole door shut, done the whole pillar all the way across the top in the end. The reason that I don't, well, in the other video, I blended it. I didn't do the whole rail. The reason behind that is these window rubbers are a nightmare, and the same with the little quarter light window down here. I don't like lacquering when you can't get the lacquer into the places it needs to be, you know, to be there to get proper adhesion. So I don't want my stuff lifting or flaking, you know, for poor adhesion. So I thought about it and I thought, blend it up there on this little bit of pillar, no problem. It'll save trying to get all that pulled back, but I managed to get it pulled back in the end, so it was worth doing. And also I found out that we had marks on that front bumper, so I've blown the corner of that in, and that's all sorted now. So yeah, the overall result, fine. It's going to look lovely when it's polished. So I can start, I'll leave this to dry, I can start getting this put back together and sorted out. I've got to look into the tyres because they keep going flat on the alloys. I think the beads might need resealing. If not, then I'll have some new tyres put on it. But we're trying to stay in budget. It's only a cheap car. They only make a couple of grand, these little zetec S's. But I want to make it as clean as possible so we have the best chance of selling it for the right money. It's going to look nice. It's going to be a great little car. We're cracking through it and getting on with it. So hopefully we can get it all cleaned up, get it all sorted in the next video. But I wanted to put this right. I thought I'd make a little video on it, show yous lot. It don't matter what goes wrong with paint. It can be sanded down, redone, and now the result is, it's nice, you know? So for all of you guys that are learning to paint or only just started, it don't matter. You can always fix it. Paint is always fixable. You know, worst case scenario, you have to do everything all over again. It's a pain. No one likes doing it, don't get me wrong. But we've done it. The end result's nice. It's come out fairly clean. I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, I'm going to wrap it up there, guys. As always, thanks for watching. A massive welcome and hello to all the new subscribers. The channel's growing crazy. And yeah, it wouldn't be without you lot. It wouldn't be going as crazy as it is. So thanks. And we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.